India's sporting community paid tributes to hockey legend Balbir Singh Sr., who died on May 25th, calling him a rare role model whose achievements will motivate the next generation of athletes. The three-time Olympic gold winner died after battling multiple health issues for over 2 weeks. He was 95. The demise was condoled by not just Olympic sport athletes but also cricketers and politicians. India's only individual Olympic gold medal winner, Abhinav Bindra, paid a glowing tribute to the legend. Saddened to hear of the demise of one of India's most celebrated Olympians, Balbir Singh Sr., athletes and role models such as him come very rarely, and it was an honor to know him, and I hope his example will continue to inspire athletes from around the world. Bindra tweeted. Former India hockey captains Viren Raskina and Sardar Singh also offered their tributes to the former centre forward, regarded as India's biggest hockey player. Very sad to hear of the demise of legendary Olympian Balbir Singh Sr., three-time Olympic gold medalist. He was always smiling, so mentally alert, and such a thorough gentleman. What a fine role model, Raskina wrote on his Twitter handle. Sardar remembered Singh as someone who always motivated him to achieve laurels for the country. It is a very sad day for hockey. He was a role model for me and several hockey players in India and abroad. Whenever I used to meet him, he always used to motivate me to win medals for the country, Sardar said. Another former hockey captain and goalkeeper of current national men's side, PR Srijish, and skipper of the women's team, Rani Rampal, said the news of his demise was painful. Athletes from other sporting disciplines, including cricket captain Virat Kohli and senior off-spinner Harbhajan Singh, too expressed sadness. Saddened to hear about the passing of the legend, Balbir Singh Sr. My thoughts and prayers go out to his family in this time of sorrow, wrote Kohli. A doyen of Indian sports, Shri Balbir Singh Sr. is no more. When you look back at his achievements, you just remain awestruck. 3 Olympic gold medals, 5 goals in Olympic final. Manager of World Cup winning team, possibly among India's greatest sporting icons, may his soul rest in peace, Harbhajan tweeted. Track and field legend P.T. Usha described Singh as an athlete par excellence and role model beyond words. Shooter Hina Sidhu added, my deepest condolences to the family of the legend Balbir Singh ji. Not just sports persons, politicians too paid their respect to Singh. Pain to hear about the demise of Padma Shri Balbir Singh Sr. ji, a legendary hockey player who left indelible imprint on world hockey with his stick, wrote Home Minister Amit Shah.